How to fix Instagram just a moment on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and now type Instagram, click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. But if you have an iPhone, just first go to App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and if that doesn't fix it, restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if that also doesn't fix it, then just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. You will need to log in again to your accounts, but that will fix your problem. I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.